Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Addie, Kayana, and Kavika. Hi. Okay, today you're going to be watching a video on us do laundry by hand.
Make sure you press that subscribe button.
Like she said, press the subscribe button and comment and like and share.
Make sure you press that thumbs up button. Press it. Hold on, let baby Vika say
Press that thumbs up button for Michaela and subscribe for Kavika.
Oh man,
Alright, so you're going to be watching a video today on...
Subscribe for Mommy's channel.
Thank you.
Do you want to go
You're going to be
Yeah.
watching a video today on how we, I sometimes have them do laundry by hand to teach them that to have value in the more convenient things in life, like a washing machine. So go ahead and get watching. This is not something we always do. It's just something for fun. They like doing it. A couple of them might look a little bored in the video, but it's because they don't like recording, but they actually do like doing this. So like she said, do what?
Subscribe.
Subscribe and thumbs up.
Press that thumbs up button.
Right.
Where do you press it?
Right. Thank you so much, and get on to the video.
She got new glasses.
I got new glasses. Okay, these are the clothes that we're going to be washing today. And we're going to be doing it in the tub. Don't mind the towels or anything. We had a little bit of a toilet overflow and we had to clean it up using towels. So don't mind that. We're going to be... Okay, well, kids are going to be hand washing these clothes. So you'll have fun seeing that. Okay, so I'm going to put the water on warm because we're washing these and I don't want these to bleed too much because we're not separating colors. Well, we're not separating like whites from these right now. It's a small load. We have more clothes, but we're just kind of doing this for video purposes sake. We usually do more than this, but just something small. And I'm doing it on warm. So all the way over is hot. Warm, and since the kids will be putting their feet in it, I do not want to be scalding for them. So it's on warm, and I'm going to go put in the laundry detergent, and I'll have Douglas put the clothes in the tub. Okay, so we're picking a number between 1 and 10 to see who gets to put the laundry detergent in the tub. What's your number?
10.
Okay, 10. 7. Okay, what's your number?
4.
4, what's your number? Come on.
5.
Okay, what's your number?
8.
8? My number literally was 8.
I'm 10.
The number. No, I wasn't, I swear. So he gets to put it in the tub. Alright, Kimo gets to put the first bout in because he got the number right. There you go. Yay! Kimo. Now everybody's gonna take turns putting some clothes in. So Douglas, take one item. Everybody has to share putting the clothes in or they're going to get upset. Alright.
I'm doing my job.
Okay, take something, put it in. There you
Wait,
go,
can we
we're
get the
putting
lights
them
in?
in. Yes, put it in.
Every clothes.
Alright, just like we did it before. Here, Katie, put something in.
I don't know how.
Alright, Kimo, go ahead. Yay! Douglas, Katie, go ahead.
Katie.
Alright. There you go. Alright, Caleb, put yours in. Kimo, stop crying, please. Everybody step in. Push the clothes down.
I can't get my pull-up.
There you go.
I can't get my pull-up.
Go ahead. No. You can't be on video without a pull-up, honey.
Bogey wet.
Okay, but I can't. Alright, because some kids like to go in, like they would a bath. And some kids don't, so I don't get demonetized, I'm not even monetized, but so I don't get in trouble, I'm going to make sure she's covered up. Okay, get in, Kimo. You want to get in? Everybody got in last time, too. I know you want to, hang on, I know you want to do it alone, but, sweetie, get in and help stomp. You're not washing them yet. You're just stomping. You're stepping on them. So basically, the feet go up and down, just like a washing machine would agitate everything. I know, but, you know, we don't, yeah. Come on, Chemo, get in, baby.
Let's do a slower
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
So, Mom, it's basically a slower washing
There's space right there for you.
No.
Do you want to wait till they're done and then get in?
Come on, Bubbles.
You sure? You want to wait till they're done? Okay. All right, so they're going to
No.
stomp around for a few. Okay, Chemo, this is what it looks like. As you can tell, hang on, Douglas. As you can tell, the clothes are obviously dirt's coming off of them. And these clothes were not terribly filthy either. They were, you know, moderately dirty. All right, the clothes were moderately dirty. They weren't filthy. As you can see, go ahead and, Kiana, go ahead and make sure they can see the water. See how that is dirty. You know what I mean? That is not clean. Move some of the clothes underneath so they can see the bottom of the tub. So they can see how dirty. See, that is dirty water. And the video is not doing it justice. It is like darker than the video is showing. Like you can't even see his feet at the bottom of the tub. Okay.
You can.
Just so you guys see that, and they've only been like stepping on it for maybe a minute. So I'm gonna let them step around for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna.
I was about to say 5 hours.
5 minutes.
Mom.
And then we're gonna go around. Yeah, and then we're gonna go around and then I will scrub them and rinse them and hang them. You know, they get exercise. So why do you guys like doing this?
Because it's fun.
And because the bubbles get on your feet and the water's warm like a bath.
Yeah, like that.
Why else do you like doing it?
Because.
Why do you like doing it, Katie?
Because it was like a Moana eat when we stopped.
Oh, because Moana washes her clothes like that? Okay.
And also, so we'll
Yeah.
have clean clothes.
Yeah, so we'll have clean clothes. Chemo, why do you like doing it? Is it fun? Are you cleaning clothes? Now, we can afford to go to the laundromat and clean or wash in the washing machine, but load would cost us like, you know, $5 doing it at the laundromat.
Dollars. It costs like 6 or 7.
Well, all of our clothes cost $50 to wash in the laundromat.
That's surprising.
And it takes me at home, when I do laundry in the washer, it takes me days, right? I have to wash and wash and wash all the time. And even though it's more convenient, it costs a lot of money. You have electricity, water, you know, all that stuff. And so, well, honey, I'm not paying for the clothes, I'm washing them. I'm talking about costs associated with doing laundry. Electricity. No, electricity. What are the costs that are associated with doing laundry? The costs.
Detergent, the little package things where you fold in.
Yeah.
Electricity.
Electricity.
No.
What else can I think of?
So how does this save us a little bit of money?
Because
We don't have
you
to
don't
spend
have
it.
to
We don't have to
like
spend
buy like little packets, all that. You don't have to
Put the
put
quarters
the
in.
quarters in. You just stomp, let it dry. It's easier. You get more. You don't. You save money after.
Right. Well, it's not necessarily easier, but it's a good way for you guys to get exercise and learn, you know, the value of keeping things clean and how if we were to go to the laundromat or have a washer and dryer, appreciate that. Okay, so this basically teaches you that when we go to the laundromat, right, and we spend money doing laundry, you know, we need to appreciate that, right? When mommy does laundry, right, when mommy does the laundry and I work very hard doing the laundry, this should help you appreciate having the easier way of doing laundry. That's what I'm trying to get at. When we do this a lot. When we do this, it helps you guys understand that the conveniences in life, washer and dryer, all that stuff, is what?
Save money.
It's expensive, right? It's expensive. And doing it this way might be less easy, but it's cheaper, right?
Yeah.
Okay? And so, we're not going to do this forever. We're not going to do it all the time, but it's a good way to, you know, learn to appreciate the easier things that we have. Alright, so this is the way we ring. Either have my daughter or me or my husband do it. We wrap it around there, bring them out, and then we hang them. And then we stick them in the dryer. So that is how we ring out. Okay, so it gets nice and hung out.